Hello students. So the next organelle that we will discuss is endoplasmic reticulum. Here I am talking about this part. This is endoplasmic reticulum. This is our nucleus. The outer membrane of the nucleus is attached with endoplasmic reticulum. This we have studied. And here I will be discussing this part. So endoplasmic reticulum, it is present in all eukaryotic cells, and these are a network of tubular structure. These are a network of tubular structure which is scattered in the cytoplasm. So these are present in the cytoplasm. So endoplasmic reticulum, it consists of flat membrane bound sacs. These are flat membrane bound sacs. These are sac-like structure which are called as cisternae. So cisternae, it means sac-like structure. Now on the basis of presence and absence of ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum is divided into two types. The first one is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the second one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So in rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are attached on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, on their outer surface, and so they are called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. And when I say smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are absent, so the surface is smooth, and they are called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Here also you can see these are rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, we also call it as RER. And these are smooth endoplasmic reticulum or SER. Now, what happens when a cell is disrupted? The endoplasmic reticulum, it also gets disrupted, and thus it will form small sac-like structures, small vesicles or sac-like structures which are spherical in shape, and these sac-like structure, on the surface of these vesicles, ribosomes are attached, and they are then called as microsomes. When ribosomes will be attached on the surface of the vesicles, small vesicles, they are called as microsomes. And this will be present, such vesicles will be present near the cisternae. So it will be present somewhere here and here, this side. Now functions of rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum are different. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, since it has ribosome on its surface, so rough endoplasmic reticulum, it will help in protein synthesis, because ribosomes are involved in protein synthesis, and so this rough endoplasmic reticulum, it has ribosome on its surface, so it will help in synthesizing the protein, and this protein will then be transported to the Golgi body or the Golgi apparatus. So this RER is involved in protein synthesis, which are then transported to Golgi body. And the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is synthesis of lipid. So lipid are synthesized in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and these are also then transported to the Golgi. So if I say the function of endoplasmic reticulum, it will also include the synthesis of protein and synthesis of lipid, which are then transported to the Golgi body. And ER, the endoplasmic reticulum, it also helps in transfer of substances from the nucleus to the other organelles or the other cells. So if some particle is synthesized, sometimes endoplasmic reticulum also helps in transfer of the substance from the nucleus to the other organelles.